everyone, welcome back to the Appliance Experts channel. Today, we're here to talk about growing your local business and attracting new customers. In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is crucial, and that's where platforms like GoLocal247 come in. New blog post announcement. We just published a brand new blog post all about how HVAC and appliance repair businesses can leverage GoLocal247 to their advantage. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from claiming your free listing to optimizing it for local search and showcasing your expertise. Table of Contents Breakdown. Here's a quick peek at what you'll find in the blog post. First up, we'll guide you through the process of adding a brand new listing to GoLocal247, including how to claim your free profile and get found by potential customers in your area. Next, we'll delve into optimizing your listing for local search. This means using relevant keywords and ensuring your service categories are accurate to improve your visibility within GoLocal247. We'll also explore how to leverage GoLocal247's features to enhance your business profile. This might involve using a media gallery to showcase your expertise or highlighting your specializations in specific appliance repairs. Speaking of specializations, we'll provide tips on how to target those within your listing to attract customers searching for specific services. Don't forget to keep your listing current. We'll provide guidance on updating your information and ensuring your service areas are accurate. Finally, we'll wrap up with some strategies to maximize your GoLocal247 presence and how to track its effectiveness for your business. There's so much more to discover in the blog post, including additional resources and helpful tips. To read the full guide and get started with GoLocal247, be sure to follow the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video from the Appliance Experts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more appliance repair tips and industry insights. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. And remember, for a more personalized approach to your online marketing strategy, we offer free digital marketing review sessions. The link for that is also in the description below. See you next time.